We see them on bedroom posters. We hear them screaming through tunnels. They are the apex predators of the asphalt. Engineering miracles designed for one thing, pure, unadulterated speed. But what happens when the screaming stops? When a $3 million dream becomes a $3 million paperweight? Forget the flashy showrooms and the rich owners. Today we are going underground. We're entering the high-stakes, high-pressure operating rooms where the world's most complex machines go to survive. This isn't changing oil on a commuter sedan. One wrong move here costs more than a house. This is surgery on the cutting edge. Welcome to the untold stories of the supercar mechanics.